if I gotta die, I'm gonna be holding on to this pie.
What is life? What is love? What are lies? What is trust? What is everything? But everything is nothing without you.
It's snowing. Guys, there's literally nothing in the store. We've been quarantined and we've just been hit with the Texas storm. It's our first time out of the house coming to Walmart, and there's absolutely nothing on the shelf. Nothing. I mean, even the nasty pastries are gone, guys. Ew. Nothing. Ice cream's here, of course, because it's freaking cold outside. Guys, everything is gone. Thought there was something in there? No, get a closer look. Nothing. All the groceries. Nobody eats.
Yeah.
What's going on?
No water.
No water at all? Not even Propel water?
We have some Powerade.
Yes, there's no water.
Huh?
Talking to the Green family, telling them that there's no water.
Yeah, there's really not.
Coconut water. That'll
Coconut-
keep us hydrated.
It's so gross. I hate coconut water.
Hey, it's life or death
Is
at this
sparkling
point.
water like the same as regular water?
It sparkles. I don't know, I think
Well, I
so.
mean, they have sparkling water. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. We need any kind of water we can get. What do you think, Ari? What do you want to get?
Sparkling water?
Of course you want to get the
We don't even
Kool-Aid.
have no water to put in there.
Exactly. Do you not understand that there's no water? Guys, this is crazy. I hope I can find some stuff to feed my family. Man, and we weren't even gonna come out today because the roads are so icy. Like, I almost bust my ass trying to get out the house. I'm glad I came out because at least we can get something. I don't know what I'll be able to find, but we gotta be able to get something. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are making smart decisions. I hope you guys have enough food to feed your family. I hope you guys have enough water. There's no water here. There's no milk here. This is the only Walmart on our side of town, only grocery store on our side of town. So kind of why everything's gone. So we're thinking maybe hitting some gas stations or something like that. There's only one dollar store here. We've already heard people in here talking about going there, so we're just gonna keep trying to make our rounds and trying to get what we can. I hope you guys are being safe out there. I hope you guys can recover your homes fast. I hope you guys, just want to continue to give you guys best wishes. This is a tragic situation that we're continuing to experience.
And we're also going to continue to experience it because once we start heating up, more pipes are going to be busting. One of our pipes busted last night. Thank goodness not inside of the house, but on the outside.
Yeah, we just found out on our way to the grocery store just now. Our neighbor told us. So, got to deal with that when we get back to the house. For now, we got to find groceries. And dog food. Our dogs are starving. They ate every day, but they ran out of dog food last night, so. It's crazy, man. So every time we come in the store, Ari finds her baby aisle. She goes a little crazy. What is that, Ari?
Oh, baby.
Babies, yeah. Thank you. You're so sweet to me. There's so many babies. Aww.
Baby.
Look at this baby. This baby's little.
Oh, hi, baby.
Look at this one.
Baby.
Go show Dada.
Wow.
Where's the baby?
Yeah. That's a pretty baby. That's a pretty baby.
Okay, you gonna get your makeup?
Don't forget your makeup.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Mimi.
Did you guys get your electricity back?
Mimi, Mita.
Yeah,
Me. Oh,
We only lost
mixed up. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it out. We gotta get home first. We gotta go buy it. Struggle's real in here, guys. As you can see, we can't find anything. I'm over here in the pastry aisle looking at all the nasty stuff because all the good stuff's gone. I think I done found something. Yes, I did. Oh, if I gotta die, I'm gonna be holding on to this pie. Yes, I am. So, if I do freeze to death, just know, your boy died with a pie. In good spirits. Get it. All right, guys, as you can see, I had to get some M&Ms and a bunch of canned goods because that's all we could find in here. Some yogurt, that's about it. No milk, no eggs. Yeah. All right, guys, so I know this is very serious. Shout out to everybody that has lost something during this Texas disaster. We know these are hard times for everyone, not just us. I know sometimes we can make light of the situation because this channel is about having fun and celebrating good vibes and trying to curate those, but we do understand the severity of the situation, and we don't take anything for granted. We are very blessed and thankful. We do realize that, you know, we haven't gone without power. We still have our heat. We were able to still cook and eat and do everything that we wanted to do. We know not everybody can do those things, so we certainly are grateful for that. But we just also wanted to share what some of the main media isn't showing you guys, you know, the severity of the situation and what we are really going through here. So as fun and as light as we may make this video seem, we do know that it's very serious. But again, this channel is about trying to make the best out of any situation and trying to bring good energy into the world. So we hope you do understand that to take this, you know, these things, commentary with a grain of salt. But yeah, that's how we wanted to say. Yeah, you see some candy? Oh, you see a baby? You see that baby? I thought you were gonna get a candy. Yeah, you got that baby. Aww.
Baby.
Yeah, that's your baby. You got 3 babies. All in the time I went pee.
Are you ready?
Yeah, she's got to put her babies back.
Baby's back.
Put your babies back.
Put them back.
Good job, baby. Good job. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, get up. You about this stuff? There we go. Come on, baby. Let's go with mommy. Oh, you taking your baby? Mommy's over here. Mommy's over here.
Come on, baby. You got another toy? How many toys are you gonna get? What happened to your horsey?
You don't want this no more? This is a dog toy.
Just got home. Just put the groceries up. About to take the dogs in the back. Yeah. It's crazy. Get them dogs sliding. Go. Go. Alright, man. I'm out here. Hopefully I'm gonna bust my ass. Oh, Rebel, you're walking too close to me now. Move. Go on. See, he's one of them type of dogs that'll run between your legs and make you fall. Oh! It was almost a goner. Hey, let me turn this around. So y'all can see what I'm facing. Alright. Side of our house. The back power plot block robot pot dot whatever the crap that is. Yeah. Help none of that ice on. It's making a big puddle. Jesus Christ.
One more time. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ready. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow, look at you.
We just got back from the grocery store. As you guys can see, the water spigot on the side of the house. It's very serious. This is a very serious situation. There's a lot of people that lost a lot of things. A lot of people are going to be paying a lot of money in damages, contract work. We understand the loss that everyone's taken. We're not the only ones.
One thing we are grateful for is being safe. Our family's safe. Even if they had to drive or go somewhere, they were safe and they all made it back home. So that's that's something that you can't get back. So
Right, and we're still healthy. Everyone is still alive, and that's something that we're grateful for. As long as we got each other, we can always prosper. But again, just wanted to end this video on a light note. Again, wanted to show you guys some clips of us having fun in the snow.
and the sun came out today.
You're right. You see the melanin popping right now.
So hopefully it is melting everything, because we're actually standing on our driveway and we could not do that then this entire time.
Right, I'm gonna show you guys a clip from me on this driveway having a good time. But again, that's all we wanted to do, is show you guys the severity of the situation. Still keep it light, because that's what we're all about, having fun. Thank you guys for watching another episode of All About the Greens.
Hope you stayed safe. Love you guys.
Stay warm as well. We love you, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
That's okay, cause we hope.
Wish the earth wasn't so apocalyptic. I try to spread my message to the world the best way that I can give it. We can make it, always be optimistic. If you don't listen, gotta live my life the best way that I can live it. I pray for justice when we go to court. Wish it was all good, so the country never even went to war. Why can't we kick it and just get them on? And in the famous words of Mr. King, why can't we all just get along? Hope we can find a better way than shopping peas, and I hope we find a better way than copping keys, and I wish everybody would just stop and freeze and ask, why are we fulfilling these downfalls and these prophecies? You can be wrong if it's you doubting. With the faith of a mustard seed, you can move mountains, and only the Heavenly Father can ease the hurt. Just let it go and keep praying on your knees in church. Let's go.